Today's feature is our Vengeant Sandstorm, which is being delivered to our friends at Kirksville Volunteer Fire Department in Richmond, Kentucky. This vehicle was sold by Atlantic Emergency Solutions, and the salesman was Chester Wooten. We have a Ford F550 on a single wheel Buckstop conversion. It also includes a Buckstop front bumper. In the front of the vehicle, we have Whelen Summit stick. We also have T-ions in the lower part of the bumper, a super winch, 12,000 pound winch. We have Mick Tuning 6-inch fog lights, Whelen M4s, and we also feature our custom nozzles for ground sweeps. As we move to the side of the vehicle, on the side of the bumper, we have another Whelen T-ion. We have 500 Vs with puddle lights. We have a Kuzma 20 amp auto eject. All the graphics you see on this truck were custom designed by our in-house graphics team at Market Graphics. We have our Vengeant custom grip strut running boards, which are PPC coated in-house. They also feature 2 T-ions as well. On the roof, you'll see a Whelen Senator light bar. As we move down the side, we have Whelen Pioneer Nanos mounted on the headache rack for side scene lights. We have Whelen T-ions in the rub rails for extra warning. We also have all the appropriate DOT marker lights on the truck in the bed rail. Those are Technic marker lights. We also feature Technic E10 ground lights, which are placed strategically under the vehicle for proper ground lighting. We have our custom Vengeant toolboxes. We have a transverse toolbox in the front, and on top of that, we're featuring 2 cross lays. One cross lay is pre-connected for 150 feet of 1 3/4 hose, and the other cross lay in the front is a dead lay for whatever customer chooses to put in there. We have an underbody box as well. All these toolboxes were fabricated in-house and coated with our PPC coating, which is also done in-house. You'll see our Buckstop tires. As we move to the rear, you'll also see our custom mud flaps. We can customize whatever the customer wants on their mud flap weights. In this case, the customer picked their department initials. In the rear of the truck, we're featuring a CET drop-in skid unit, 300 gallons of water, 300 GPM. It's powered by a Kubota 25 horse diesel motor, which is piped right to the chassis fuel tank. We have our custom made bumper. We also have a custom extra compartment in between the bed rails for any kind of storage a customer wants to do. We also feature our Roscoe backup camera. Our custom bumpers feature Technic marker lights, also Technic stop tail turn lights, and we feature our custom Vengeant steps along with a Class 4 hitch. The skid tank also includes 10 gallons of Class A foam. As we move up the other side of the vehicle, you'll see once again our custom graphics and some custom work that we do. We'll catch you inside to see what's going on in there. We're back inside here. We're going to feature a custom Vengeant just box it console. We have room for the customer radio, which will be installed once the customer receives the truck. We have all the power supply and antenna already run for the customer. We feature cup holders as well. We have our Whelen core controller, along with a USB plug, which is hot all the time, a Ford Sync extension plug, and our switch for our ground sweep nozzles. Once again, we also have our Roscoe backup camera, which we did a rear view mirror replace as well. Our console is lined in our Just Box It shop with our Shark X coating. And this truck also features a Master Volt 2000 watt inverter. I'd like to thank our friends at Kirksville Fire Department and Atlantic Emergency Solutions for trusting in Vengeant Apparatus. Have a nice day.